everybody, welcome back. So we're starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'll be moisturizing my hair as well as detangling because I'm blow drying my hair. So I am taking a small section, applying my leave-in conditioner and making sure that I'm detangling really well. I'm taking my time when it comes to detangling, making sure that I have properly detangled my hair. And of course, I'm using a white tooth comb. I don't always use a comb, but when I'm blow drying my hair, I have to use a comb. So after that, I just apply a heat protectant and then I put my hair away. I love putting my hair away in bantu knots because it's much easier for me to blow dry my hair when it's in bantu knots, and it's easy for me to take it down, blow dry, then put it back in bantu knots. When it comes to blow drying my hair, I always use the tension method, and I love using a comb attachment when I'm blow drying because I feel like it's much easier for me to blow dry my hair and to avoid breaking my hair rather than using a brush. Yeah, so this is actually the best method that I find easier for me. So all I'm doing is I'm pulling my hair and then just passing the blow dry in that section. So this tension method is actually really good when it comes to preventing breakage, and also it helps with the distribution of the heat evenly. So I actually prefer this. And as you can see, I'm not blow drying my ends immediately. I'm just avoiding my ends. I always finish off with my ends because I know my ends are very fragile. I have to make sure that I'm doing it lastly. And when I'm doing it lastly, I just do a couple of passes and then that's it. I don't overdo it. Also, when it comes to the heat control, I am using medium to low heat, and I don't use lots of heat on my hair. So guys, this is how long my hair is, and I was actually surprised because I really didn't think my hair would be this long. It's actually amazing. The more my hair grows, the more I am looking forward to doing a silk press because I want to see how long my hair is growing. I also have to do a little bit of trimming, and yeah, so that's how my hair looks like. And then I will put this away and put it back in a bun. So I'm going to be repeating the same process in every single section. So remember to avoid using high heat and avoid breaking your hair. And as you can see, I'm not detangling my hair using this comb attachment. The time I'm detangling my hair is when I'm using my own comb. I make sure that I detangle before I start blow drying my hair, and I always finish off with the ends. And the ends, I just do a couple of passes, unlike the top section. So this has really helped me a lot. First of all, I do not get heat damage, and at the same time it actually helps in stretching my hair really well as stretching my ends without breaking my ends. So this is a method that has been helping me a lot, and I've realized that I'm retaining so much length when I'm doing this, and you just need to be patient. Just be patient when you're blow drying your hair. Don't rush, and please don't get carried away when you're blow drying your hair. Okay, you just need to stretch it out and then put it away. And that's it, guys. That is how I blow dry my hair. Hi guys, it's the next day already and it's about 4 p.m. right now, and I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looks like. I'm going to be styling it tomorrow, but I just wanted to show you after I've blow dried my hair how my hair is going to look like. So I just stayed in the previous bantu knots. I haven't even oiled my scalp, or rather greased my scalp, but I'm going to be doing that tomorrow. So these are the bantu knots, and let's just see how my hair is going to look like after blow drying my hair. So one thing I came to realize is my hair has really grown, guys. Oh, this is a bit tight. Okay. Oh my god. Look at that. I'm actually thinking I would have just taken this down tomorrow so that I can be able to style my hair and rock my hair out tomorrow. But then again, I will have to deal with all the shrinkage and all, and I don't want that. So let me try and separate. Ooh. Okay. So one thing I love doing when it comes to my hair is experimenting, and that is why I'm very excited when I see all this, when I see all the curls and all that. I just love it so much. So it excites me, and every single time I'm touching my hair it feels different, and I'm able to know when my hair is dry, when my hair is moisturized, when my hair is hydrated, and when my hair is damaged. And I'd recommend you guys to be trying this. Just touch your hair, feel your hair in each and every single state, and you'll be able to feel a huge difference. You'll be able to know what your hair wants, what your hair needs. And this is actually how I was able to figure out that my hair loves grease, and this is also how I was able to figure out how to moisturize my hair. This is how my hair looks like right now. But I just want to try and fluff it out a little bit. I wanted to brush it out. I need to do something with the ends, so let me just try and fluff it out a bit to cover up those spaces. Oh, and by the way, this is how long my hair is right now. I don't know if you can see this, but this is where my hair is right now. Yeah, so I'm just trying to fluff it out. Okay, let me try and brush out the curls. I'm just going to be doing just once and see if it's going to look good. Pretty sure it can be even bigger if I try and fluff it out a little bit more. Yeah, so that's how my hair turned out. So what I want to do is to put my hair in braids, just 2 jumbo braids. No, not 2, but oh, this would look really nice. Now if I try doing this and then slicking it back like this. Let's see. This is cute. You know what? I think I'm going to grease my scalp right now. So I'm going to section my hair into a few sections, just to avoid my hair from reverting back, because it's going to shrink back really fast and my ends are going to start matting and tangling. My hair is so big, guys. I can't believe I'm struggling to do my hair these days. Like, it's so hard. Because I want to start greasing my scalp. As you can see, the ends are starting to tangle, so that is why I'm trying to avoid this by putting this in sections. I'm also going to apply the grease on my ends. I've seen the grease works really well on my ends as well. It makes the ends get soft and they do not dry out as much. So whenever I'm blow drying my hair, I don't actually blow dry it to a point where it's bone straight, because I really don't like it when my hair is bone straight. I love volume. I'm always going to choose volume over length, honestly, but if I can get both, why not? Oh, I'm using this one. This is the grease that I'm using. This is from TCB Naturals. So I actually started applying grease on my scalp and I've never gone back, honestly, guys. So let me just apply on my ends first. So this grease has menthol in it and I just love how my scalp feels amazing. I just wanted to explain to you guys why I started using grease on my scalp. I've been using lots of oils on my scalp, and they have not really helped me in any way when it comes to moisturizing my scalp. And yes, the oils do work, they nourish my scalp, and they actually help in stimulating hair growth and all that, but the problem comes in when I do not retain moisture on my scalp, and I get flakes, dandruffs, I get all sorts of problems. The grease has actually helped me in retaining moisture on my scalp, and I get less flakes and dandruff, especially when I'm using this menthol one. It helps in that, and also it eases itching as well, so it's really good. So I just finished oiling my scalp and now I am done. So I'm just going to put my hair in braids actually, but I'm going to do that off camera. So I just want to show you how my hair looks like finally. I'm going to do this really fast before my hair starts reverting. I think I've combed my hair too much today. That's it. I want to put my hair back in braids. I've combed it so much today, guys, and I'm pretty sure I've broken my hair just a little bit because I was just too excited, and I'm not going to comb my hair again. As you all know, if you've been following me for a while, I stopped detangling my hair too much. I only detangle during wash days, and that's that. The other times I use my fingers to detangle. So today I think I overdid it. But it's okay, it's okay. So whatever breakage that I've gotten today, I'll grow it back, because now I know I can actually grow my hair really well. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.